It still says the same thing. I don't have to try to reconnect. It says it has an exclamation point behind the service. So I really don't have to
Okay.
try to
You
reconnect
disconnect and
to it.
reconnect it, correct?
What you said?
Yes, ma'am. I actually did some troubleshooting on my end, so we need to retest it. So you disconnect and reconnect it, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And still the same. Is that what you said?
Yes.
Okay. Let me connect you to our Wi-Fi specialist then, so we can assist you further. Please stand line. Thanks for being an OnStar member. Your advisor is working to help you and will be back in just a moment. Thanks for holding. Thanks for being an OnStar member. Your advisor is working to help you and will be back in just a moment. Thanks for holding.
Thank you for calling the OnStar Connection Center. This is Nikki. May I please have your first and last name?
Crystal ketchup.
Thank you. And the previous advisor was just telling me that the Wi-Fi isn't working in the vehicle. Is that right?
No, it goes off a lot at random and then comes back on at random, but it doesn't a lot actually.
Okay. All right. I'll be happy to take a look at that. Before we get started, could I have a good phone number for you?
909-300-2829.
Thank you. And are you parked right now or driving?
I'm parked.
Okay. Perfect. All right. So give me one moment. Let me get everything pulled up here. Okay. Okay, so on the vehicle screen, I just want to confirm when you press the home button, so you're at the main screen, and
Um
then from there, just click on the icon that says Wi-Fi hotspot,
yeah.
and the share hotspot data is that turned on?
Say that again.
Is the share hotspot data turned on?
Yeah.
It is it's on. Okay, so just go ahead and toggle that off, and then back on just to refresh that connection. Did you get that done?
Yeah.
Okay. Is your phone currently connected to the network?
Yeah. It went
Okay.
it
On
it's
your
back
phone,
on.
just go to speak.
It's back on now.
Okay. Um,
So is
so,
that what I have to
so
do
is
every
is
time?
that well? If that's what's causing it, if it's just like randomly going out like that, it shouldn't be doing that. Are you noticing like with your OnStar button, does the color of the button change to red or unlit at all?
It does. I've taken it back to the store. It does. For this to be a 2025, I've had a lot of complaints about um the OnStar service and the unreliability. I mean, if that's a word. The connection, the Wi-Fi,
Yes.
it calls emergency on its own. Some I've recorded sometimes when I'm like attempting to call you for directions or something, it doesn't have any sound. Um they said that it needs the modules or something replaced in it. I don't know, but For this to be a
Yeah.
2025 and it's brand new, nothing should need to be replaced. It's not
Well,
like the
so the
vehicle.
OnStar module,
Mm-hmm.
if they're willing to replace that and they're saying that's what needs to be done, that's what I was trying to figure out, is if the module was going out or giving trouble. But that's definitely what they need to do, is replace that module, because if it's going out and you're trying to press the OnStar button and you're not able to reach us, or you don't have any sound, and then also the Wi-Fi is going out like it is, that's definitely signs of the module needing to be replaced. Um, and because if you were to have an accident and at that time the OnStar button wasn't working, or the OnStar button the light was out or red, or it was having a connection issue, we wouldn't detect that accident. So it's really important that the module is working correctly. I definitely understand that with it being a brand new vehicle, it should you shouldn't have to have anything replaced. But since it is giving you that trouble, I would highly, highly suggest that you allow them to replace that module.
It's very annoying, but I'm just doing what I have to do right now, you know, because I'm just in the middle of working, trying to get moved and situated in a familiar area. So I just, I haven't made an appointment, and then I wasn't able to keep it, but I'm gonna make another one and take it by there and see what they can do. But I told them I was recording what it does, and they said to do that and to just let them, check it out and see what it's doing. So I'll take it by there and make another appointment, in short.
Yeah, that's what I would suggest. And so because that OnStar button, like, that controls everything. It's like the brains of the operation. So your Wi-Fi is not working sometimes because that the OnStar button is going in and out like that. So the module, it controls everything. Like if it's not connecting, you won't be able to use your app. You won't have Wi-Fi. We can't communicate with the vehicle. So it's a big
Should that be
it's a big deal when that goes out.
should that also affect, like, the mileage, like what I see in the app? Because I see my car at different locations. I don't think that this is my
Mm-hmm.
car. That the internal workings of it are not my car, because it has me in places I've never been.
Yeah, that's exactly what's causing that, is the module to be out, because it's not able to communicate with it. And then, so that's what I was saying. Like, if you were in an accident, we wouldn't be able to detect that. And then even the GPS is going to be off because that module going out. So if we say we did detect it by some chance, but the location is not correct on the vehicle because the module is going out, so we might not be able to to see where you're at or see a correct address. So, that module going out, that messes up everything. It just causes, everything to have an issue.
Okay.
That's definitely what's happened with the app showing you the wrong location, and it'll probably not allow you to start it from the app. Sometimes, like, does it give you an error if you try to start it from the app?
It just gives me consistent wrong information. Uh,
Yeah,
it
yeah,
makes me feel like someone's driving the car, because the mileage or the information will be so wrong. And so I just wonder, like, with having access to the car, being that, you know uh, it is a 2025, you don't need a key to unlock it. So all of that is just concerning to me, because I've had some other issues with someone having my information. And so, being that the My Chevrolet app is app friendly like that, to allow access to the car without a key, it makes me feel, uh, unsafe at times. But I pray and I
So
have the, huh?
no one could drop the vehicle. Like I know you can unlock it and you can start it from the app, but
Mhm.
you can't actually drive it without having the key. So you could start it with your phone, but unless you have the key to the vehicle, you can't drive it.
Well, I
It
know.
wouldn't allow you to put it in drive and actually move it.
Well, I know that part, but I wasn't given both of the keys to the car when I got it. So that's another separate issue, but I'm glad the Wi-Fi is on. Thank you for that. I'm not going to hold you and rail on because I got a few things to do today. This just kind of kept me
Okay.
back from getting some stuff started. But thank you so much for taking the call today and helping me get back activated and ready to go. So
No problem.
I think
No problem at all.
we're all set.
All right. Well, you have a good day, and if there's anything else that we can do for you, just give us a call, and we'll be happy to help. Okay.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
All right.
Bye bye.
Thank you. You have a good day and be safe out there.
Okay.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.